Well, first thing we gotta do is make sure we got all the tools we need. Looks like I got all my junk in there. Yeah, that'll do for now. We gotta go all the way down that far door. You can barely see it. Steam heater stopped working. Oh, we gotta put the key in first. Duh. Let's try that. Hey, look at there. Hey, there we go. We got power. And we want to go forward. That's how you turn. Won't bore you with the long, boring drive. There's the door way down there. Joanne's, eat your heart out. Look at all that fabric. Oh, a Doofosaurus. Well, we got to stop about right here before we activate the door, that pad. We'll be working up there. First thing we got to do, we got to kill the power so nobody activates this roll-up door. And we gotta go put out our stupid little cone so we don't, so nobody uses the door. Excellent day out here today. Beautiful. All right, guys, you're not allowed in. Got to put on my headlight so I can see what I'm doing. What a handsome double. We're ready to rock. All right, let's head over there. Right about. Whoa, let's not hit the door. And up we go. I took this apart yesterday. Oh, we're gonna hit that. I gotta back up just a little bit. Oh, we gotta go more. Hold on. So much stuff you gotta watch out for before you go up. You got pipes everywhere. You got them behind you. This lift would rip those pipes clean out of the wall, and then I'd be in a lot of trouble. All right, let's levitate. Oh, wrong way. Other up. Oh. All right, that was kind of close. No room. All right, good. This is what we're after. We gotta put the bellows inside it. I'll show you the other one. This is a steam heater. Oh, look how dirty that is. Filthy. Oh, there's the old bladder. It used to look like that. We're gonna put that in there. Just like that. We're gonna try to put a little bit of lube on it so it slides in there easy. Yeah, looks like this is gonna be a little bit of a chore to get that to go down in there. And the stem is bent. Yeah. It is bent. We need a new valve. Yeah. That's going to be a chore getting that down in there. Got it. It's always something. I don't dare use a screwdriver because I don't want to tear it. I'm surprised it lasts as long as it did because this is a steam heater. These create a lot of heat, eat up these seals. Alright, I gotta put the phone down for a little bit with the camera. Sorry. Well, I took this thing apart yesterday. I'll be danged if I can remember how to put it back together. I'll keep trying. I dropped the screw way down there. Damn it. Gotta go get it. Nothing like standing on the handrails of the lift. Boy, they have a fit. They don't like this. It's a security thing. Yeah, well, we gotta do it, right? I gotta put the screws in here now. I gotta line that up. Where are you? There you are. Alright, I was able to get the screws in there. Look how tiny these little boogers are. I sure hope this is right. No, what's next? Next we want this thing. What does it do? I think it's going to require 2 hands. I'm not going to be able to do that. Well, it looks like it just rests on top like that. It wouldn't really suck to hit this thing. It's a fire sprinkler. Knock the head off that, boy, everybody'd be pissed at me. Yeah, some knucklehead on the radio. His name's Chris. Don't have a lot of parts left. Obviously, it's got to be that one. Think so?
I just put my time in. Did you put time on it?
We'll soon find out after we put air to it. Here's our air line. I had to follow all that garbage around up through the attic and 3rd and 4th floor. Hello over there. Now we get to use our big old wrench. Oh, I can't do it one-handed. Ow. There, that went on real nice. Nice and secure all the way around. But now I have to go downstairs and get that screw that I dropped. See how that fits. Oh, look at there. Perfect. Let's see how many more of these I can drop. There, it's lined up. Finally. There we got one going. There's our air line hook up. Alright, we won't bore you with this. I'll be back. Alright, let's see if we can go down instead of up. Hey, we did it. We're going to go the wrong direction. Ooh, it's warm up here. Down there somewhere. All that just for a screw. Oh, no. And back up there. I have commandeered this lift from the contractor. You don't know I have it. Too bad, sucker. Still here more. Oh, that's it. No more. I'm gonna do this again, but I'm gonna get something where I don't have to hold this camera. I'm gonna find some kind of a pedestal for it, or a helmet cam or something like that. Because this job, you need both hands. Not like that Raymond Ray dude. He does everything one hand. I don't know how he does it. And it tight. When it clicks. When it clicks, yeah. Now we got our cap. Cap goes up here. Keep all the garbage out. All right, let's go find our Allen wrenches. Here, look at there. Which one do we want? That one? Oh yeah, we have a winner. Let's see if I can drop it. This one's hard to get to. Plus everything is hot. It's a steam line. That's not the best area to work. Hey, something's getting at me. Leave me alone. Ouch, hot. Yeah, this sucks one-handed. We are going to definitely have to do this a different way next time. Ouch, hot. Okay, I gotta put you down. So now we got that on. Let's see if our valve will actually work. Oh, look at there. It's opening. Oh, we have success. We have success. Right on, right on, right on. Now I'm gonna have to open that valve. Open that valve and that valve because I got the steam shut off. I'm gonna put my gloves on because this thing is extremely warm. Let me clean up my mess and be right back. Alright, let's see what we got for a temperature on that boat. Ooh, 190. 205 degrees on that bad boy. That is hot. So that's the supply. It's gonna go in there. It's our steam coil. Look how dirty that bugger is. And I'm gonna have to turn that disconnect on. It's gonna get real loud. And let me get my gloves on. Gloves and safety glasses. A definite must when turning this steam system on. This thing is hot. Forgive me because it's hard to work like this. So let's open up the condensate return first. Slowly. And it's gonna not. This stuff scares me. I don't like it. Never liked steam systems. Very dangerous. Okay, one's open. Oh, my glasses are fogging up. Here we go. Oh, shit. God, I hate doing this. I don't like steam. Scares me that it will come flying out. That's a rusted valve. Let's go down real quick. Out of my way. Let's just get our egress. Uh-oh. Oh, they're not calling me. Oh, it's the manager. Okay, valves are open. Everything's open. Let's go down. Alright. Ooh, don't like this. Let's back up. driving. How do you like that? There's a turn. There we go. Forward. I need to turn that on. And it's gonna get noisy. So let's not hit that line. As far as I can go. Let there be noise. For a temperature coming out of that. What a beautiful day. You got a moonshot up there. Stay. Put the door back in action. Next thing I gotta do is find a way to hook up this thermostat. Dangling on the wall with the pneumatic line. Find a way to get that back on the wall. Somebody tore it off. Oh, that's easy stuff. Let's get our hot rod back. I love these things. Oop, we got safety glasses. Let's go, Brandon. And then we gotta get up there on that loft and fix that air conditioner. Making a heck of a racket. It lives in steam.